We may have missed the first part, but anyway. So we've got battery problems, electrical problems, and now we got lights on everywhere, and we're going to hook up our OBD2 code reader. And that is located under the dash, typically on the left or right hand side. Most commonly I've seen it on the left hand side, and we plug this bad boy in right here. There is no power cord to this. The power comes from the car itself. Always helps to have it the right direction. You plug it in, turns on. Most of the time, to run diagnostics, you have to have the car in the accessory key position, but we'll see right there, diagnostic. It'll enter up into our system and hopefully tell us what the problem is.
What we have here is a failure to communicate. Oh boy.
Yeah. So you turn it to the one click before starting it on.
So that went to the camera.
Oh. I don't want to show anybody that was screwing up. All right. So then it'll run through all these checklists and you get a result here. And depending on how fancy your code reader is, will depend on how much it reads and what it can tell you. So this is always a good place to start.
What's the guy got to spend on something like that, Scott?
About 60 bucks.
60
Anywhere
bucks?
between 50 and 300, depending on how fancy you want to get.
That seems reasonable.
Always, yeah. It's always good to have one of these handy in the garage. So we will take a look here and read the codes. No fault codes. That's good. So this is a good thing to have because if you happen to hook up your battery with the wrong polarity and send a giant electrical charge through your computer system.
Who would do that?
Only assholes do that, my friend. Only assholes. This will tell us if any of the sensors blew up. And so far, it is showing us that everything looks pretty good. So that's good.
Agreed. Especially since it's my car. Looks pretty damn good to me.
So that all looks good.
Battery's checked. It's pretty much a brand new battery. So.
Yeah, and it's reading at 12 volts, so that's good. It means the battery's where we need it, which is where it should be when you're in just the accessory mode. Pass. So this all looks good.
Maybe I just pushed some fuses down in where they needed to be. They popped out or something.
It's definitely a possibility, which would explain why none of your lights came on. So that's
Sweet.
That's all a pass. We haven't changed any of that, right? Okay. That is the extent of what this tool can do. Fixed. 15 minutes. Fucking piece of cake.
Bam.
Again. Another job well done. So just remember, if anybody tries to jump your car and reverses the polarities on the poles, meaning they hook the positive to the negative on the other car, and you get sparks and smoke and
Well,
in general your jumper cables melt.
It sparked, and he actually hooked it on. I was like, I'm like, take it off. Like, oh, grabbed it. Like that. If that happens, that's not right.
So that's bad. Undo it.
That's bad. Don't use that.
And apparently, if you own a Dodge Durango, what year is this?
06.
An 06 Dodge Durango, the key is to just drive it over to your buddy's house,
Right.
pull it in their garage, put your code reader on there, and you fixed it. Without really doing anything.
But you look cool as shit with your new Dickies.
That's right.
Full body mechanics.
That's right.
Suits.
BDJ and Street signing off. Another 15-minute mechanic. Problem solved.